Best deals.
1. Kadhai. Features non-stick shielded by stainless steel ridges, allowing you to confidently use metal spatulas without worrying about damaging the surface. With an extra thick tri-ply construction, this pan retains heat exceptionally well. The sturdy, stay-cool stainless steel handles are designed to provide a comfortable grip even when the pan is hot. Engineered with precision, the pan features stainless steel rivets and brackets that are firmly fixed. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pot holder. Rack can be used to store the lids of pots, pans, and utensils, as well as the plate. Whether it is placed in the kitchen cabinet or on the countertop, it will give you a clean and tidy kitchen environment. Cooker stand is equipped with 9 adjustable stainless steel dividers. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Hook. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Magic Sticker's strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. This wall hooks can be used for hanging spoon, towels, gloves, knife and fork, pan, pot, keys in your kitchen, bathroom door, bedroom closets and other places. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Hanger. 5-in-1 multi-layer design allows you to hang multiple clothes on a single hanger, helping you maximize wardrobe space. These punt hangers for wardrobe are ideal for small cupboards and compact storage areas. As space-saving hangers for wardrobe, they reduce clutter and keep your closet neatly organized. Made from premium quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Fondue set. Crafted from pristine white ceramic with a sleek, ergonomic fondue pot and stand, this set combines sophistication and practicality, adding a stylish touch to any occasion. Perfect for dipping fresh fruits, artisan bread, or sweets into rich chocolate or creamy cheese fondue, making it ideal for intimate gatherings or cozy nights in. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Flip fold broad. PP composite material is with better toughness, anti-aging, solve the family's troubles that too many t-shirts, sweaters, dresses, towels, pants and other clothes need to be folded. No assembly required. 2 silicone buckles firmly connect panels. Even if there is a severe collision, the shirt folder will not fall apart. Both adults and children can operate with one hand, making it convenient and simple to fold clothes. The shirt folding board can easily organize the entire wardrobe without too many steps. Clothes folders can be easily stored in a drawer or a suitcase. Very suitable for travel, it can be easily put into a suitcase, and the clothes can be perfectly folded during vacation, so that the clothes are no longer wrinkled in a ball. Designed with high quality, strong and flexible PP resin material, the folding board is durable and will not break over time. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Soap roller. You just open the lid and place the soap between the spring base and the sponge roller and it's ready to use. A rich lather is created by the friction between the soap and the sponge roller. It can also lather and clean clothes. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Waffle maker. Make 4 delicious waffles in minutes for everyday meals. We listened when one waffle was not enough. Now you can make up to 4 of your favorite waffles in a fraction of the time with the waffle maker. Not only will your waffles cook quickly and evenly, but the waffle maker non-stick cooking plates will leave no batter stuck behind. The non-stick coating surface makes waffle irons easy to clean with a wet wipe or damp cloth. Simply plug it in and go, it heats up in minutes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Aroma diffuser. Elevate your home with this electric aroma diffuser for home, featuring a stunning rain cloud design that blends modern sophistication with functionality. Not just a humidifier, it transforms your space by releasing a fragrant mist with 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil, enhancing relaxation and improving indoor air quality. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Grill. is designed for efficient use on a brinjal roaster for gas burner, ensuring perfectly cooked fulkas every time, making it an essential addition to your culinary tools for authentic Indian cooking. Papad Jali provides an ideal solution for evenly roasting papads on a baigan bharta grill of gas, delivering a crisp and delightful texture, enhancing your meal experience with traditional flavors. Crafted for durability, this grill for gas stove offers a long-lasting solution for everyday cooking needs. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Portable blender. Built with a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, a portable blender has a long battery life and can be charged by any device that has a USB port. USB-C type charging cable included. Blend anywhere at any time with our smoothie blender that can be easily stored and used in places like your office and gym or while you are camping and traveling. Perfect for making anything from protein shakes to smoothies. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Fry pan. Is ideal for sautéing and stir-frying foods using minimal quantities of oil. It can also be used for deep frying and for cooking gravies, curries and sauces. PFOA-free non-stick coating locked into tough hard anodized aluminum. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Peeler. Provides a comfortable grip with a natural, stylish look, features an enlarged blade opening to cover more area with each stroke. The curved design minimizes fruit waste and saves your time and effort while getting more of your favorite fruit and vegetables. The contoured shape fits naturally into your palm. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Pot handle cover. Provide excellent heat insulation for cast iron, pots, pans, and other cookware with metal handles. Made from high-quality silicone material, these covers can withstand temperatures up to 230 degrees Celsius. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Citrus juicer. Is suitable for orange, lemon, lime, grape, pomegranate, watermelon, grapefruit and fruits that are soft and rich in water. Not suitable for carrot, apple, sugarcane, tomato, mango, banana. Fruits are rich in vitamins, which replenish the body with the necessary nutrients and also improve the immunity of the body. If you don't like eating fruit, try making a fresh, additive-free juice. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Filter. Premium stainless steel tea infuser for loose tea lovers. High quality material, made of premium stainless steel, extra fine mesh. Safe and durable, can catch as finer particles include seasoning spice. Fine mesh design ensures smooth tea brewing. Easy to clean, take out the soaked tea leaf, just flush it with water, dishwasher safe, but it's recommended to wash by hand, then just need a few minutes, they would dry. Easy to use and clean, perfect for green, herbal, or black tea. Infuser is perfect for brewing loose leaf tea. Its fine mesh allows perfect flavor release without residue. Durable, reusable, and eco-friendly, it's ideal for every tea enthusiast. The perfect way to enjoy a cup of fresh brew tea. Filter your favorite loose tea leaves with our easy-to-use and clean tea filters. Now you can replace your old tea bags and enjoy drinking fresh full-flavored tea. It is very convenient to make tea and coffee, add seasonings when making soups and inject herbs. Made of good quantity stainless steel, long-lasting durability for a long time use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Medicine Organizer Box. AMPM design makes planning daily doses easy. Colored case protects your privacy. Morning, night and day icons help you quickly identify your vitamins, supplements, and medication. Fill once per week and done. The indented flap makes opening effortless. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Sink Organizer. Designed as a smart soap stand for holder sponge, keeping your sink area clean, organized, and clutter-free. Perfect kitchen sink organizer to store soap bars, liquid soap bottles, scrubbers, and sponges in one convenient organizer. Compact yet functional soap stand for holder sponge that fits easily near the kitchen sink without occupying extra counter space. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Fridge Storage Boxes. Containers facilitate fridge organization while maximizing space for additional items. They can also be reused for storage in other areas of the kitchen and are easy to clean. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Tope. Crafted with 100% food-grade stainless steel, non-toxic and non-reactive. Versatile compatibility, works perfectly on induction, gas, electric and ceramic cooktops. Even heat distribution, thick aluminum base prevents hotspots for consistent cooking. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Knife set. The compact block fits neatly on countertops and includes a hidden 2-stage ceramic sharpener. Keeps every sharp knife for kitchen prep in top condition, ideal for everyday chopping, slicing, and dicing. This steel kitchen set for home combines sharp, durable blades with ergonomic handles for comfort and control. Whether you need a meat knife, vegetable knife, or chopping knife for kitchen prep, the set delivers it all, is designed for professional applications, suitable for cutting, dicing, slicing, chopping with vegetables, fruit, fish, bread and meat for great addition to the kitchen, camping, and outdoor experience. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Electric tawa. Prepare dosa, chilla, pancakes, crepes, uttapam, omelets, paratha and more with this all-in-one appliance, perfect for your daily home cooking needs. Extra wide surface of dosa maker electric automatic allows you to prepare large crepes, pancakes, chilla, uttapam, and more with ease, prevents sticking and requires less oil. Customize heat settings for different recipes with variable temperature control for precise and consistent results. Smooth non-stick surface makes cooking hassle-free and cleaning quick with just a wipe, perfect for everyday use, easy to use and clean. Smooth non-stick surface makes cooking hassle-free and cleaning quick. Includes tea wooden batter spreader and bamboo spatula, making it easy to prepare perfect dosa at home. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Peeler. Create pith-free orange strips for a classic old-fashioned, zest lime for your favorite pie, and give sides and mains a little extra zing with the citrus prep peeler and zester. We took the best features from our original, iconic peeler and incorporated them into a new compact design made for fatigue-free peeling, has an ergonomic non-slip handle, and dishwasher-safe construction. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cleaning cloth. Super absorbent microfiber cloth for laptop screen is ideal glass cleaner cloth for mirror, car windshield, windows, laptop mobile screen, camera lens and wash basin, bathroom tiles and other electronics fridge cleaning cloth. Must have glass cleaning tools and accessories. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Basket. Features an easily accessible basket for storage. This feature makes it perfect for kitchen storage or as a vegetable basket for kitchen use, enhancing your kitchen organizer rack. Ideal kitchen space saving organizer, making it convenient for milk deliveries, perfect for storing essentials. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Idli stand. This idli stand consists of 4 plates, which are stacked on top of each other. To prepare idlis using this idli stand, you would add water to the pressure cooker, place the idli stand inside, and then steam the idlis. The idli stand is relatively easy to use and is a convenient way to make idlis in larger quantities, ideal for family meals or gatherings. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Drawer. Made from high quality, thick plastic with a strong base and reinforced sides, a durable plastic storage rack built for long-term daily use in any home organizers and storage setup. Features 3 deep drawer storage compartments that provide ample room while saving space, perfect storage drawers organizer for office drawer storage, or baby things organizer storage. Includes 1 extra basket and 4 sturdy hooks to store bottles, socks, baby items, or accessories. Ideal plastic drawers organizers for compact bedroom storage drawers or puja room organizers for storage. Designed with 4 smooth wheels and an integrated handle for comfortable grip, this rolling organizer rack moves easily from kitchen to bedroom or office, acting as a portable plastic drawer cabinet. The modular storage drawer system uses a simple interlocking design that assembles quickly. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Grater. Crafted from durable stainless steel, promises longevity and reliability. This grater for kitchen is ideal for finely shredding cheese, making it a must-have tool for any culinary enthusiast seeking quality and precision. Designed as a comprehensive grater for kitchen tasks, our product simplifies grating veggies and cheese. This grater for kitchen use is an essential tool for those looking to streamline meal preparation with ease and versatility. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Organizer rack. This 3-tier kitchen organizer rack is designed for storing spice jars, oil bottles, and kitchen essentials, maximizing countertop space. Made from high-quality steel, this kitchen storage rack is rust-proof, durable, and strong enough to hold heavy bottles. Features hooks for ladles, spoons, and utensils, ensuring easy access to essentials. Ideal for small kitchens, countertops, cabinets, and pantry storage, making it a versatile kitchen rack stand steel. This kitchen shelf storage rack is effortless to maintain, featuring a smooth surface that wipes clean and quick setup without hassle. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Made from high-quality metal with a powder-coated finish for maximum strength and long-lasting durability, built to hold heavy kitchen or bathroom essentials, lets you stack items neatly without sacrificing valuable countertop space. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Cooker. The body and lid are made from superior grade Fe3O4 non-magnetic stainless steel. The cooker has an external base of Fe430 grade magnetic stainless steel which makes it induction compatible. It has a 6.6 mm thick sandwich bottom to ensure uniform heating and no hot spots. The base always stays flat and never bulges. The cooker body has curved sides for easy stirring. Product link is given in the 30th link.